Government subsidies aim to support farmers by reducing financial burdens and encouraging sustainable practices. To access these benefits, farmers must familiarize themselves with available schemes in their area. Village presidents are often well informed about these programs, as they act as liaisons between farmers and government authorities. Visiting your local panchayat office or attending village meetings can provide essential information on eligibility, required documents, and application procedures. Establishing a strong relationship with your village president can ease the subsidy application process. Regular communication allows them to understand your farming needs, helping them advocate on your behalf. Seek their advice during application preparation and inquire about ongoing government initiatives. Village leaders often have first-hand knowledge of special subsidies and deadlines, making their guidance invaluable. Gather all necessary documents, such as land ownership proof, Aadhaar card, and bank details. The village president can assist in certifying or verifying documents, ensuring your application complies with guidelines. Submit your application through official channels, such as online portals or local agriculture departments. Ensure it is error-free to avoid delays. Participate actively in village development meetings where subsidies are often discussed. These forums allow you to voice your needs and learn about additional resources. The village president may highlight your case during district-level discussions, increasing the chances of approval. Be proactive in following up on progress and clarifying doubts. Collaborate with other farmers to strengthen your subsidy claim. Group applications for community farming projects or water conservation initiatives often receive priority funding. Encourage the village president to support collective efforts, which benefit the entire community. By staying informed and maintaining regular communication, you can efficiently secure government subsidies for your farming needs.